One of the smartest moves home buyers are making right now is asking for seller credits. Hi, this is Heidi Panelo with Advanced Estate Realty. Seller's credit are when the seller helps pay for some of your costs when you buy a home. This can include closing costs or helping lower your interest rate with a rate buy down. You might be wondering when the best time is to ask for seller credits. First, you can ask when a home has been on the market for a long time. This often means the seller is more open to giving a better deal. Second, you can ask after the home inspection. If problems are found, you can request a credit instead of asking the seller to fix everything. Third, you have a better chance in a less competitive situation. Right now, seller's credits are helping many buyers save money when they buy a home. This is Heidi Panelo with Advanced Estate Realty, helping buyers and sellers to make the right move.